Hey guys, it's Gabie and welcome to my party. So my sister's birthday is coming up, and actually it's already her birthday once you see this video. Since she's an ARMY or a big BTS fan, I decided to give her a BTS gift box with tiny trinkets inside. Her bias is Jin, so I collected a bunch of RJ BT21 stuff from Shopee. And I'm going to put them in a box with a BTS Butter album design. I've been planning this since end of August because I was so excited about the idea. And I'm so excited for you guys to see what I got in this haul. Now, let's see what I got. First is this ponytail, which I hope will hold her hair and not break easily. Next, I got these cute RJ socks. Next, I got a set of RJ clips. And I think I'm gonna have to repaint their cheeks. Next, I got this pen and wait for it. What are those? The eyes are pink and the cheeks are black. So I'm gonna have to fix that with markers and paint. Then I got this keychain, which is very thin and flimsy, so I hope it won't snap off easily. I also got an RJ iron-on patch, a super cute and good quality coin purse, this mini alcohol spray bottle, and this mouse pad, all from the same shop. Lastly, I got this RJ mug. I got this box for my mom years ago and I didn't have anything to use it for. But when I was looking for ideas for this gift, I thought that this looked like the BTS Butter album. And I also bought some yellow wallpaper, which I can stick on to this box and decorate it with the Butter album. Welcome to the box store. So this is the box. It has 3 layers. For the first layer, I'm going to put maybe pictures inside. And on the second and the third layers, I'm going to put the RJ stuff. The third layer has this fancy satin thingy, which I will replace with purple satin fabric. Now it's time to wrap the box with the yellow wallpaper. Okay, I'm not the best at wrapping, so I apologize in advance for the clips you're about to see. I decided to remove this window type compartment thing from the second layer so I can fit more of the gifts inside. Now here it is so far. I'm going to have to cover all the black spots and then cover it with some purple paper. For the front of the box, I wrote my sister's name in the butter font as best as I can. Then I shaded the back with a pencil. Then traced it with a thinner pencil so I can transfer the pencil lead onto the box. Then I filled the letters in with a Sharpie. I also added the BTS logo on the side. Okay, it's off center. It's too big. The coloring is bad. But it's fine. She'll like it. I hope. Okay, it's time to assemble. This is a leftover box from our business, and I thought that I could put the gifts in here and make her think that I just got something from our business to give to her. So I'll put the album, the mug, and the mousepad in here, and let's see what happens. So I got my box and my gifts here. I'm just gonna put it inside. So it won't close properly if I put the mug inside, but I think that's gonna be quite funny. That it looks like I didn't put much effort in packing this gift. So let's go surprise my sister! What's this?
It's gorgeous.
Wow! Did you make this? Bye! Wow! Wow! A new mouse pad!
Universe.
Oh my god! Oh my god! RJ, stop!
Wala
naman yan!
What's this sticker? Oh my god, a patch! Okay, time to buy a denim jacket. Wow, thanks Gab Gab. Ang ganda. Wow! Wait, are you my soulmate? Wow! Ang tagal na nung nasa cart ko. I love it. I want to see the pictures. Mama.
So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful for thinking of gift ideas for your army friends and family, and for sure they will enjoy this. Don't forget to leave my sister some birthday wishes in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next party. Bye! But when I was looking for...